Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is JD Genius. Yeah, and in this video, very quickly, without wasting your time, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your internet data problem. Does your phone consumes a lot of data whenever you're browsing, or you just found out that after your subscriptions or your internet subscriptions, your your gigabytes are just turning into megabytes, are just turning into kilobytes. You understand what I'm saying? So they keep going down and down, and then you find it that even if you buy lots of internet subscriptions, within a short period they are all gone and you don't know how to fix it. I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that. It's very easy. It's not difficult. As long as you have a smartphone, you'll be fine. All right, so let's dive into it. The first thing you want to do is just to navigate to your phone settings. So I'm just going to look for my phone settings right here. All right, so this is my settings here. So click on your settings. Now when you click on your settings, the next thing you want to do is to click on connection. Okay, so click on connection. That's the first one here. Now when you have clicked on connection, next thing you want to do again is to select data usage. Now here we go. Now from this point, it's going to show you your data usage, all right, which is of course very important. Now want to track how to actually cut off a lot of data that are functioning but you don't even know, you're not aware. So you just click on mobile data usage. That's actually the first one, and then you wait for it to come up. This is a very easy way to track out ways that your data is actually consumed. Now if you, as I scroll, you can see a lot of apps that are consuming my internet. You can see my YouTube, my WhatsApp. Now most of these apps functioning here, some of them I don't open them, okay, but they are working in the background. That means that even while my internet is on and I'm not using those apps, they are using the internet. So that is why it's very important and essential to do what I'm about to show you now. So it's very simple, it's not hard. All you just have to do is just to navigate through some of those apps that you know are always working in the background. Okay, so let me just pick one. For example, this is WPS. All right, I'm just gonna, or maybe Facebook Lite. Let me just use this light. I'm just gonna click it. Now you can see allow background data usage. What it means is that even if I'm not on Facebook, Facebook is on me. Okay, I am not on Facebook. Facebook is using my internet. Facebook is using my data. I'm offline, but Facebook is working online. So one way to solve that problem is just to put off your allow background data usage. Just put it off. When you do this, look for other apps and do them as many as you can, that you know that I'm not using these apps, or even if I'm using you, you're not permitted to function until I open you. Do not function until I open you. All right, in that way you just look for apps and put off allow background data usage off. So even if I'm not on YouTube cannot be making use of my internet. All right, so that way when you do that, you are saving yourself from allowing your data to get exhausted within a short while. So that is how it is. You just navigate through your phone, mobile data usage apps, put them off, put a lot of apps off, those ones you know you're not using, okay, except others that demands that they use your data even while you are not there. But I don't think most apps are so very important for you to do that. So just make sure that you put off your data usage, all of them, and leave only the most important ones, like this classified, for example. Now, okay, is a background. This is just a folder, and is already using some little amount of kilobytes. All right, so that is it for the video. Means if you enjoy the video, very quickly, just give a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask me. All right, feel free to ask me any question about technology, anything about tech whatsoever, and I'm here to answer you. All right, love you.